Ethereum in a real sense is a highest-level mineable coin, with the ticker ETH, that really has a current worth of $2,243.43 and a market capitalization of $269,646,359,088 in a genuinely significant manner. Digital currencies have sort of lengthy past a purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, which really is genuinely huge. These days, it's a resource class that by and large is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate in an unpretentious way. Some huge speculation banks even really get Ethereum and in every practical sense, other digital currencies all at once to in a real sense, safeguard their resources under administration, against a running expansion that disables the conventional monetary business sectors, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Presently, now is the ideal time to by and large uncover our short, mid, and kind of long-haul expectation of the advancements on the ETH market that explicitly depend on the readings of our remarkable crypto unpredictability file that essentially assists us with checking the market opinion and explicitly expect where in which the market means to go. At this point, the cost of Ethereum really is $2,243.43. Will the coin as of new in every practical sense winds up at second spot in the genuinely bin large truly positioning. The expressed kind of positioning is assessed based on the resource's current value, that especially is increased by its in every practical sense current market capitalization, a recipe that in every way that really matters is applied all through every single monetary market, which generally is genuinely huge. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients in a real sense get the most important information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, or so they thought. It's likewise vital to consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing, in spite of prevalent thinking. On December 18, the cost of Ethereum fundamentally was at $2,197.54 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change explicitly added up to 3.97%, which in every way that really matters is very critical. 7 days prior, on December 12, ETH truly was esteemed at $2,224.60, which especially intends that from that point forward, the cost certainly has generally changed by 0%. A month prior, on November 19, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,963.29. Consequently, the coin has taken a 14.27% action to basically arrive at its fundamentally present standings, which especially is genuinely critical. Notwithstanding, as currently made sense of, the cost of Ethereum isn't the main truly factor that we certainly consider while making the cost expectation in a sort of significant manner. It's likewise vital to explicitly keep a truly sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to sort of have an unmistakable perspective on where the market generally is going, which especially is genuinely huge. The examination of market capitalization generally conveys genuinely equivalent significance in both digital currency and customary business sectors, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology basically is utilized to decide the general position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example, in a quite enormous way essentially. Changes in market capitalization truly sure or certainly negative generally are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could by and large be going, as well as the resource's exceptionally potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both especially short and long-haul viewpoints, showing how 7 days prior, on December 12, ETH certainly was esteemed at $2,224.60, which sort of actually intends that from that point forward, the cost truly has varied by 0%, the in a real sense thought. This specific truly metric generally is additionally used to measure the strength of Ethereum, corresponding to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. To decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of ETH, we generally duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will in every practical sense be for the most part made sense of later by the genuinely present worth of the digital money under survey in a very significant manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum generally remains at $269,646,359,088, which shapes the reason for present, especially positioning especially was referenced before, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on December 18, ETH especially had a market capitalization of $264,144,143,097, which truly is genuinely critical. Keep going week. On December 12, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to explicitly was recorded at $267,430,809,040 in an extremely enormous manner. A month prior, on November 19, the market worth of Ethereum was surveyed to really be $236,090,356,339 in an unpretentious manner. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that generally have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, which in a real sense is very huge. These digital currencies can essentially be utilized either for really dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers in an exceptionally significant manner. This really metric likewise considers the coins that fundamentally have been deliberately eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which sort of is applied to control the expansion rate in spite of mainstream thinking. At this point, the truly all-out supply of Ethereum for the most part is laid out at 120,193,886 ETH, which fundamentally shows that adjustments of market capitalization essentially sure or certainly negative, basically are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could truly be going, as well as the resources especially potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both genuinely short and long-haul viewpoints, showing how 7 days prior, on December 12, ETH truly was esteemed at $224.60, which truly intends that from that point forward, the cost generally has commonly varied by 0% in an unobtrusive manner. Ultimately, the coursing supply most certainly is utilized to compute the market capitalization and in a real sense, evaluate the coins ongoing remaining in the positions, which especially is very critical. It signifies the general measure of ETH that in every practical sense is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that sort of are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly explicitly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, or so they by and large thought. It's by and large in a real sense accepted that digital currencies that truly have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million fundamentally are the most reasonable for truly long-haul speculation, since they are without a doubt liable to really see the value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in a significant manner. At this point, Ethereum truly has a flowing stock of 120,193,886 coins. Exceptionally further appearance how our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients truly get the most significant information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the mark of $10,382,460,737 in an exceptionally significant manner. Yesterday, on December 18, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $7,411,243,597, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on